Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Julian, and please, if you have not subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you get to see my videos anytime I upload. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. I love you. Now this is the point where I ask you to give this video a thumb up. Please click the like button because this is what will help YouTube to push my video for more views. So please support me, encourage me. Okay, on this video I'll be showing you a very good recipe that you can use to take care of your relationship, to keep your man loving you, to keep your woman loving you, to keep your relationship, to keep your marriage intact. Okay, except you don't love that man, except you don't love that woman, then this video is not for you. But if you love that man, you love that woman, and you want to be loved, you want him to keep loving you, you want her to keep loving you, then stay put. This is the right video for you. Without hurting anyone, without going diabolical, without being fetish. It's just natural things, but they are very effective. Let me tell you something. Do you know that everything God created has a purpose? Everything we need to solve our problems are around us. But don't wait until they serve you breakfast. So my people will say breakfast, that is in break up. Don't wait until they break your heart. Okay, now let's get started. So for this, all you will be needing for this is a piece of paper, a pen, okay, either blue pen or black pen. Any other color is not advisable. If you really want to get good results, use either blue pen or black pen. So for me right now, I'm using blue pen, and then perfume or body spray. So anyone, the one that you are using, the one that you use, okay, because we need your presence to be felt. He needs to feel your presence. So, and a body spray or perfume, and then water. You can see the water is in a mug. The mug is a long mug. Okay, I choose this long mug. I will explain to you when we get to the point why I choose this long mug. Okay, so, and it's a glass mug. The reason why it's advisable to use glass mug is because lifespan of content in glass lasts longer. When you go to the market to buy stuffs that are in glass and plastic, take out your time to compare and check. You will see that anything that is in glass has a longer expiring date than anything that is in plastic. Side chick, please don't go and destroy somebody's home. I'm begging you with this. All right, let's get started. So you will now write your spouse or loved one name. So let's assume the name is, let me write my name, Julian Skin Care. All right, so you will now write your love and passion is one. Spelling of the one here is O-N-E. One is one with me. All right, then you will now write your own name. Let's assume your name is Joy. You will now write Joy. If it's Joy Smith, you write Joy Smith, just like that. I'm just using these names as an example. Please, if your name is Joy, don't be annoyed. It's not your own Joy, just an example. All right, so after doing that, you now take your perfume, just one spray. Okay, that's all, one spray, and it must be the perfume you use, this body spray you use. Then after that, you will now throw it inside this water in the mug. Now the reason why I said it's preferable to use longer mug is because we need the water level to cover the paper. We need the water level to cover the paper, so you really need to sink down. So if you use a smaller mug, there is possibility of the water level not covering the mug. So you can, of the water level not covering the paper, I'm sorry. All right, you can see our write up, my write up is here. So you now take this, you pray, say your prayer into it, say what you want. Okay, so all you just have to do is put it under your bed. And if your bed space, if there is no space on your bed, if there is no space under your bed, just put it at the head, beside the head of your bed, just close to you. It could be on that table, anything close to you. Sleep, anything close to you where you are going to sleep, just put it anywhere close to you where you are going to sleep. Then in the morning, just pour the water away outside your house, not inside. Come outside your house, pour the water away, and the paper, allow it to dry. So when the paper is dry, just burn it, burn the paper, and that's all. And when you try this and you see result, please don't forget to come to this comment section to drop comments, all right, so that others will know that it's really working. It works. Okay, so please, this is where I get to tell you, please like my video, and if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe.